Huzur, this is verse number 71 from Surah Bani Israel. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ وَحَمَلْنَاهُمْ فِي الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ وَرَزَقْنَاهُم مِّنَ الطَّيِّبَاتِ وَفَضَّلْنَاهُمْ عَلَى كَثِيرٍ مِّمَّنْ خَلَقْنَا تَفْصِيلًا. Indeed, we have honored the children of Adam, and we carry them by land and sea, and provide them with good things, and have exalted them far above many of those whom we have created.
Huzur, could you kindly explain to us the meaning of وَفَضَّلْنَاهُمْ عَلَى كَثِيرٍ مِّمَّنْ خَلَقْنَا تَفْضِيلًا?
What is obscure about it? The question is raised with reference to this verse of the Holy Quran, which clearly speaks of a sort of excellence which was granted to the children of Adam over the rest of the creations of God. Now we don't know how many different creations He had made by then. In fact, some angels were created in a superior manner than that of the children of Israel, of Adam. For instance, Angel Jibreel and many other angelic forms were in many ways far more excellent than most of the children of Adam. So this is a declaration of the Holy Quran which applies to the generalities of creation. You understand the point? Or no? Is this what is bothering you? You see, they are superior to all the animals, for instance. There is no exception. But they are not superior to all the creation. That is the thrust of the matter. Now you understand?